Good morning children. Today in this video, I will explain you about the various methods of finding HCF. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Children, in the previous video I have already explained you about the common factors. So if you have not watched that video, you can watch that video. And now in this video, I will tell you the various methods of finding highest common factor. So there are three methods of finding HCF as you can see here. First is factorization method, second is prime factorization method, and the third one is the division method. So in the next video, I will explain you all these methods one by one. So go and watch it.